Orchids, the plant group with awesome flowers, exhibit an incredible range of diversity in size, shape and color. Taxonomically, they represent the most advanced family of flowering plants, boasting 600 to 800 genera and a staggering 25 to 35,000 species worldwide. While cultivated orchids are familiar to many, the breathtaking beauty of wild orchids often remain unnoticed. The Western Ghats, a global biodiversity hotspot, is home to an astounding 310 orchid species, with a remarkable 40% of them endemic to these peninsular highlands. Among the 142 endemic orchids of peninsular India, Wayanad district alone harbors a significant number, including 57 epiphytes and 19 terrestrial species.
And they have collected all these species, around 50, more than 50 species have been collected from different places. So that is the first step in conservation, the collection. So that also has been done very widely.
A study conducted by MSSRF further reveals the richness of Wayanad's orchid flora, documenting 173 orchid species and 1 subspecies. However, the survival of these exquisite orchids is under threat. Climate change, habitat loss due to deforestation and unsustainable land use, and the rampant illegal collection for commercial purposes are pushing many species towards extinction. Recognizing the seriousness of the current plight of these orchids, MSSRF developed and submitted a project to the Botanical Garden Conservation International (BGCI) for the conservation of 30 native orchid species from the Western Ghats. BGCI generously sanctioned this project, and we are proud to have successfully completed its committed objectives of collecting, conserving and disseminating these 30 species. Out of these 30 species, 20 are epiphytic, meaning they grow on other plants for support, while 10 are terrestrial, growing on the ground. Beyond the 30 committed species, the project achieved an even greater success by collecting and conserving an additional 20 orchid species belonging to the Western Ghats, significantly expanding the scope of our conservation efforts. All the collected species are meticulously arranged and conserved ex-situ in the orchidarium of MSSRF and also maintained in community satellite gardens at various locations, providing a crucial safety net for these threatened species.